Here we have this beautiful Formula 34 PC. As you can see, with the twin engines, the vessel's easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The Formula 34 PC has always been a strong choice for boaters who want a serious express cruiser without moving into a much larger yacht. She offers a wide beam, a deep cockpit, strong hull design, and a layout that works well for entertaining, weekend cruising, Catalina trips, and overnight stays. At the stern, the integrated swim platform gives easy access from the dock, water, or dinghy. This is a great feature for swimming, boarding, spending time at anchor, or just enjoying nature as we see. Moving forward, you can see the wide walkway, easy to access the foredeck. We've got a nice stainless steel bow rail, wide foredeck set up for a lounge pad. Then here at the bow pulpit, we see we've got our windlass, anchor, line, chain, foot pedals, and a spotlight to find mooring easy at night. Formula's construction and deck layout give this boat a substantial, confident, solid feel underfoot. Stepping into the cockpit, this is where this 34 PC really shines. You've got a spacious social cockpit with plenty of seating, good visibility, and room for guests to relax while underway at the dock. The cockpit layout makes this boat ideal for entertaining, room to move around, and comfortable seating for family, and a protected helm area for longer runs or changing weather. At the helm, the captain has a commanding view forward, engine controls within easy reach, and a well-organized dash layout. This boat is designed for confident cruising, whether you're running the coast, heading to the island, or just maneuvering around the harbor. Here, we'll take a closer look at the electronics, gauges, switches, and navigation equipment. A clean helm is always an important indicator of how well the vessel has been maintained. Here we are taking a look below the cockpit at the engine space. Mechanical access is an important part of any express cruiser, and this area gives buyers a better look at the heart of the boat: the engines, generator, batteries, pumps, and service access. These Merc Cruiser MPI Horizon engines provide 375 horsepower. The boat has V drives, so there's no outdrives in the water. Reduces maintenance and adds to performance over time. With the port engine being rebuilt, that removes a lot of questions as far as engine reliability going forward. Moving down into the cabin, the Formula 34 PC offers a surprisingly spacious interior for a 34-foot express cruiser. The cabin is well suited for weekends aboard, longer harbor stays, and comfortable cruising with family and guests. To starboard, you have the main seating area and salon space. This gives you a comfortable place to dine, relax, and get out of the weather. The open cabin layout helps the boat feel larger than expected. To port, the galley is equipped for real weekend use with counter space, storage, sink, refrigerator, microwave, and dual burner stove. It's a practical layout for overnight cruising and entertainment, great for weekends aboard. Forward, the main berth provides a comfortable sleeping area with storage and privacy. This is one of the reasons this 34 PC remains popular with couples and families looking for a true express cruiser rather than just a day boat. Aft, the mid-cabin gives you additional sleeping space or a flexible storage and lounging area. This is a key feature for guests, kids, or extended weekend trips. The enclosed head adds real cruising comfort with privacy and convenience while away from the dock. On boats this class, a clean, functional head compartment is an important selling point. Note, we've got the vacuum flush head system, and there's a acrylic curtain to prevent overspray from the shower. Back up in the cockpit, this Formula 34 PC brings together the best parts of an express cruiser: performance, comfort, style, and usability. It has room to entertain, a cabin to overnight, and the hull designed for real cruising.